Yuzhong District Shenglin Motor Accessories Wholesale Department, established in 2011, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, sale and service of motorcycle parts. We have rich experiences in developing and selling motorcycle accessories for 8 years. We are located in Chongqing, China, with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Besides, we are making great efforts to develop new products to meet different requirements. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. Our products are selling well in all cities and provinces around China. Our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as Europe, Asia, America, South, Oceania, and Africa. Our main products are motorcycle umbrella, motorcycle mudguard, motorcycle aluminum alloy top side box, motorcycle windshield, and some other motorcycle accessories. These products are designed and developed by our company's research and development team. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a nice reputation from our customers because of our thoughtful customer service, quality products, and competitive prices. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success. Believe us, believe your choice.